in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way.
Good day guys, welcome to Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. I hope you guys are doing great. So today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to design a package design on your smartphone in Pixellab, and also how to market on PicsArt. So without wasting much of our time, let's go into the business of today. So the first thing I have to do right now is to do this. Then you change the background color to this, to gradient color that I use. So this is the gradient color that I use. Good. So after you do this, you click on the plus button, you bring out this. Good. So the next thing you have to do right now is to hit this one, then you click on your plus button, then you bring out the shape, then you change it to radius, then you give it this color. No, exactly this one. Good. So after you give it finish, you go to your shadow, give it shadow, decrease the shadow blur, maybe around 3, then increase the offset a little bit, maybe sorry. So the offset, so let me check how the offset will be. Good. So you can, okay, just leave it in 0. It's okay. So let me check out this to be. Okay, 0 is better, so leave it in 0. Good. So you have to bring it down a little bit. So you bring it down a little bit. The next thing I'm going to do right now is to the one we hit, you place it to the front. Good. Then you keep it here. This video is going to be short, so it's not going to waste much of our time. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to bring out another shape button. Then I give it this gradient color. Good. Then I have to put it here. Good. So after you place it here, you click on your plus button, you bring out the text, then you give it, what did I even give it? I gave it product package. Good. So you give it a font, and that should be, I use something blogger soundboard here, so I use this one here. So you have to put it here. Then let me check if I'm going to give it color black. Let's check if color black will work for it. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, let me move this one to the front a little bit. So the next thing now is to bring out this thing that I brought out, and let's position it very well. Download. So I brought out this. Yeah, so you're going to increase it. You're going to increase the size. Then you place it here. Good. Then you bring it to the down side. Good. So after you write it finished, copy your product package, then you write order now. Then you write the number here. Click order now. Plus 234 70809876543. Good. So you have to do it like this. Then you go to your alignment, then you change it to justify. Good. Then you place it down here. You reduce it a little bit, then you place it down here. Then after you're done, you go to your color and change it to white color. You change it to white color. Good. So we are done with this. So the next thing you are going to do right now, let me position this very well. Good. So the next thing we are going to do right now, so you click on your plus button. Sorry, you click on this. You save it as a project, and you save it as an image. You save it as PNG, and you also save as very high. So you click on save to gallery. So after you're done, the next page you're going is our PicsArt. So let's go. Hello guys, welcome to the second surface of this tutorial. So as I said earlier, we'll be using PicsArt to also do this second part. So without wasting much of our time, let's go to the business. So the first thing you have to do now, so after I don't know the kind of fashion of when you enter your Pixellab, they will show you plus button. So you click on the plus button, then you go to where the photo is, the picture you want to use. So this is the picture I want to use, the product package. So it has loaded. So the next thing I have to do right now is to click on my tool and click on the crop to make it a little bigger. So after you click on it, you click on OK. So after you click on OK, you go to where they write add photo. So you click on the add photo. So you click on this one we just did right now. So you click on add. So after you click on add, you reduce the opacity a little bit. So after you reduce the opacity, you click on this, you increase it and place it on the top of this. Good. So then you can now increase the opacity now. So after you increase the opacity finish, you go to your blend. So you click on the blend, then you click on, when you click on the blend, it will show normal, it will show screen, it will show multiply, it will show darken light. So you click on multiply. So can you see it now? So we are done with this. So after you click on it, you click on OK, then download it to your gallery. So you click on save the picture to gallery. So it has saved to your gallery. So this is the end of the tutorial. So I wish you best of luck, and please don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get updated whenever I upload a new video on the channel, and don't forget to comment and don't forget to like. Thank you for watching until now. Thank you.